We'll guide you through how to share Reels on your Instagram story. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram, and so what you want to do is go and share Reels on your story. This is a great way of sharing a Reel with your followers. Perhaps you found it funny, educational, or entertaining, and so you want to go and share it with others. Or perhaps you have posted your own Reel and you want to go and show it to your followers and make sure they go and see it by adding it to your story, as often people go and check the stories at the top and may not always go and scroll down their feed. So we're going to guide you through how this can go and be done. To get started, you need to go and find the Reel you want to do this with. So for example, if you're just scrolling on the Reels page, you can go and find the one you want to do. Or alternatively, if it's your own, it doesn't matter. It is going to be the same process. So let's go and say I want to do it with my Reel here. What we can do is come onto our profile in the bottom right and go and tap on it like so. And I'll go and tap on it again. And you'll go and see this looks very similar to if we're just scrolling down the Reels page. And then to go and put it onto our story, what you need to do is go over to the right and you need to go down. And you want to go and find the option for the paper airplane. As you can see, there it is. You want to go and tap on it like so. And this will then go and open up the share menu. So you're going to see different people you could share it with. But to go and put it on your story, what you need to do is go down here and you may just go and scroll along. But the option for add to story should be one of the first ones. Then what you can do is go and tap on it. And as you can see, here it is. So you can go and tap on it like so to go and make it full size or to make it smaller. Pinch it to resize it and tap, hold and drag. Of course, over to the right, you can go and add text, stickers, music, change the background as well if you want to, and press the arrow down for more options. So that's it. And then of course you may want to go and add like a laughing emoji or something. And then when you're ready, you can put it on your story or share it with your just close friends. And close friends are people you go and choose to go and see that close friend story. I'll press your story in the bottom left and I'll go and say added to story. And then what we can do is come back to our profile and you can go and see we've now gone and made the story. It's just uploading.